Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the ELEX WooCommerce Shipping Calculator, Purchase Shipping Label and Tracking for Customers plugin. This plugin is a game changer when it comes to simplifying your shipping process, providing real-time shipping rates to your customers, and offering hassle-free tracking. We're going to dive deep into its amazing features, but before we do that, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our helpful tutorials. Now, let's get started. First up, what sets this plugin apart is its ability to calculate shipping rates in just a few clicks. That's right, no more manual calculations or guesswork. With a few simple clicks, you can get instant shipping rate estimates, making it easier for both you and your customers to know exactly what they're paying for shipping. Now, let's talk about the variety of shipping services you can offer with this plugin. You can choose from a bunch of well-known carriers like UPS, USPS, FedEx, UPS-DAS, and Canada Post. This flexibility ensures that you can cater to your customers' preferences, and they can choose the shipping option that suits them best. Speaking of preferences, your customers can also choose their packaging options. Whether it's a standard box or a custom package, this plugin's got you covered. This ensures that your shipment is tailored to your specific products. Efficiency is key in e-commerce. The ability to generate multiple packages together saves you valuable time. With this plugin, there is no need to create labels one by one. You can process multiple packages in a single go. And here's something truly handy. You can easily set your preferred shipping carriers and services right within the plugin. This means you have full control over which options are available to your customers, ensuring a seamless shipping experience. Now, let's talk about what every customer loves, tracking their package. This plugin allows you to provide a shipping label and tracking link directly to your customers. No more digging through emails or tracking numbers, it's all right there, making your customers' lives easier. Want to keep things organized? The plugin provides a dedicated page for your WooCommerce Shipping Calculator. This page is user-friendly and ensures a hassle-free experience for both you and your customers. Setting default shipping addresses has never been easier. You can specify default shipping from and to addresses effortlessly. This is a great time saver and ensures accurate shipping information every time. Worried about giving too much power to your team? Don't be. You can assign access to user roles, so only the right people can access the shipping calculator. This helps maintain control and security. Keep your customers and the admin in the loop with custom email triggers. Send out emails with labels and tracking details automatically. It's a great way to provide real-time updates. Want to give your customers that warm, fuzzy feeling after they complete an order? You can display a custom order completion message. It's a small touch that can go a long way in making your customers feel valued. And here's a neat feature. You can link helpful articles or documentation to your WooCommerce Shipping Calculator using the integrated help icon. It's all about providing a seamless and informative experience. Last but not least, you can customize the shipping calculator template to match your brand's look and feel. Your shipping calculator will not only be functional but also aesthetically pleasing. So, there you have it, the ELEX WooCommerce Shipping Calculator, Purchase Shipping Label and Tracking for Customers plugin. With its powerful shipping rate calculation, extensive shipping service options, custom packaging, and more, it's a must-have for any WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.